Hello Bloomington, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own piñata at home. All you're going to need is a balloon, 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of water. Then you'll also cut up some strips of leftover paper or craft paper that you have lying around the house. So we'll get started. First, you're going to blow up a balloon. You can make it as large or small as you want your piñata to be. Then you're going to mix the water with the flour and salt, and then stir it into a paste. You want it to be relatively smooth, but don't be worried if there are still clumps of flour. That's no big deal. You want to really mix it all together here. It'll start to almost look like a batter once it gets ready. Okay, this should be about ready to go. So kind of have this consistency, still a little liquidy. So once your paste is ready, be ready to get messy here. You're going to take your cut up strips of paper, dip them in the paste, and then kind of get the excess paste off of it here. You'll take your balloon and attach the strip of paper. Try to get it to lie flat down on the balloon. Once you do that, just keep repeating multiple times. Your hands will get messy. If you don't want to have the paste all over your hands, you can wear gloves while doing this. And when you're putting the strips of paper on, you can make them into crisscrossing patterns like this. And you will end up covering the whole balloon in your strips of paper. And you can use colorful strips of paper if you want to make your balloon more decorative. Or what you can do is if you use white paper, once the strips have dried, you can take marker or paint and decorate them into any design that you want. So now that your balloon is covered, you are going to let it dry undisturbed. This process can take up to a couple hours depending on how many layers of paper you surrounded the balloon with. But what you'll notice is you don't cover the knot of the balloon. I'll lift it up to show you here. You don't cover the knot of the balloon. So that way, once the paper is dry, you'll take the balloon upside down like this and cut off the knot, leaving a hole to the inside of the piñata. Then you're going to fill it up with any treats or goodies that you want. Put a piece of tape over that hole, and you have your own homemade piñata. Thank you for watching.